I was designing this switching box, I found that I need to redesign this wall again. So there was a lot of redesigns again and again, but this wall, because it has a main switch, and I recorded the material that I supposed to put in that video about this switching box, but then I found out that actually I am reviewing this switch, this main switch, and another one that is going to be here instead of this one. And I decided let it be a separate video about just these main switches, and I hope you will find useful and will like and subscribe for more material. And now I will include what was recorded. I lost English version of this video somewhere, so I will record this part again. Probably will not say the same things, but let's see. So you can see the new wall is already here, and again drill it different way. And this was the initial one where I supposed to put this one. When I got it without any installation instruction, well, I didn't even realize that the right way to put it from the back of the panel this way. I was wondering why the ceiling is here and not on the opposite side. And I designed the hole for it to install this way. I wanted a fully sealed construction here, so that I can wash it with the jet washer. So I wanted it this way. That's why I created my own ceiling, and I didn't know that it's supposed to install it from the opposite side. Again, no any instruction, and I never used this kind of breakers. Yeah, so we are talking about this CB255, which is either Eaton or Bussmann or BlueSea systems. So it's the same switch. So first, the problem about installation. If you never worked with this one, so you probably also don't know that it should be installed this way. For that reason, they have a nut here that you can tighten from that side. Okay, so I prepared the hole for this installation, and then when I tightening these nuts here, it's M6. Sorry, I don't remember in inches. What is this? So it cracked. Well, and then I start researching. I was thinking, okay, I will order the new and will be careful next time. But first I checked that the wall here is so thin. Now we can see it. So and then I start researching for some feedbacks, reviews about this. And I found that some people also tell that they have it a kind of cracked. I don't know, they use different wording there, but as I understood, it's quite a problem. And I began thinking, if I use it in the board when vibration is there and some heavy cables coming from here, it's easy to damage again. Not because I am not careful when tightening, but just when you use it. So I decided, no, it's not my option, and I don't recommend you this one to use in the board where vibration from waves. You can use it somewhere probably on the fixed installation. It's so teeny. So I found another one, yeah, because I record this video, this part of the video again, so I will show you. So there will be maybe no logic in the next sequence. That's what I want to tell. Because it's already broken, let's open it and look what is there inside. Well, nothing so much special here. A plate, I think, with specific temperature parameters. So that's why it's so cheap. Well, simple doesn't mean bad. Simple is always good, yeah. So, but because this plate, they are connected. Well, what I want to say that when you have this place broken, then the functionality is broken. It's not just some case that can be broken and a ceiling will be damaged, but the function will be damaged. Yeah, that's it. So that's the one for replacement. Yeah, it's, you can see Coop, Bussmann, or Eaton, or BlueSea systems. So they the same. They just resell them. I bought this time 40 amperes because it's better for my wires to be protected by 40. I selected 50 here because it was the only option I could buy being in Finland. You guys have other options there in the US, but actually for 40 you don't have and you don't need. So I bought this one. It is the way how it's supplied, and I will explain now why this one. So guys, first, why this size? Yeah, and then why surface mount. So I found that they have also like different model with crossed fixing places here, but I decided to buy this one because it's the bigger one. So, and I was thinking, yeah, well, that's the small one, and people complain about the vibration, and yes, true, even when it was okay, here was everything not so solid, but here it's so solid. When I'm trying to switch, I feel it's fixed there on the place and no vibration will damage it. It's really solid. The piece is solid. I feel it. So I also understand that I will not damage anything with my crutchy hands when I will be screwing here in compare with how I did here. And that is M8 in compare with M5 here. Guys, I don't know how you understand inches. It's something like 3 divided by 8 minus 19, something like that. I don't know how you understand this imperial system in compare with the metric one. So, and why surface mount? Then I was thinking, okay guys, if it's going to be damaged like in that case happened, if it would happen when I'm in the lake, so then I need to open it and somehow short it. But in that case, when everything will be on the surface and I will have in my board prepare a jumper here, I just put the jumper. That's it. So surface mount. You have to consider ignition protected switches. Of course, they should be. When you buy this from Eaton or Bussmann, the company that is producing 100 year, literally, not figurative. And you don't buy Chinese junk from Amazon or AliExpress or eBay, then you buy the right product that is certified for ignition protection. It should be, because if you install it in a compartment in the place where gasoline or other fuel vapors are there, so it is important. You should consider this. Guys, I think that's it. That's all what I wanted to say. Few important things you need to consider, and I think you shouldn't buy this one unless your place is not the board and no vibration. So I heard about feedbacks that people got it damaged. By the way, did I say you that the right way to install it this way, not this way? Yeah. So nobody told me this, neither data sheet. Okay guys, I'm talking too much. Just like and subscribe. Bye.